Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through resolving the common error where Windows detects errors on your drive that need to be repaired. And now, let's get started. When you encounter the message that Windows found errors on this drive that needs to be repaired, it often points to an issue with the drive itself. The primary solution for this is the chkdsk scan. To perform this scan, begin by searching for command prompt in your Windows search bar. Once it appears, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Within the command prompt, you can execute the chkdsk command. While sometimes users run the chkdsk command and the chkdsk command separately, these can be combined into a single command for efficiency. You can simply type chkdsk /r/f and then press Enter. The system may prompt you to confirm that you want to schedule the disk check for the next restart. Type Y and press Enter again. This command will thoroughly scan your drive for errors and attempt to repair them. This combined command solves the problem for the majority of users. However, if after running the scan the issue persists, it might indicate that there are bad sectors on the drive that cannot be repaired. In such cases, unfortunately, the only definitive resolution is to replace the hard drive. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.